Good morning, I am Kathleen.
Good morning.
So I will recommend to you the Sony Cybershot DSC-W230. It's an average size compact camera measuring 95.2 by 56.5 by 21.8 mm and 27 grams. It's neither large nor small like those credit card style cameras. However, with a 3-inch LCD screen taking up most of the back of the camera, the control button and mode dial along the right side are smaller than a 5-cent piece. In fact, all the buttons were too small. The on and off, which resides at the top of the W230, and buttons beside the LCD screen need a very precise press to get them working.
How about the pixels of the camera?
The W230 is a 12.1 megapixel camera with a wide angle lens and 4 times optical zoom. The camera also gives you the option to output still image in full HD for the people who like to display their photos on a high definition monitor. Unfortunately, recording video is in standard definition. There are quite few modes to choose from: auto, high sensitivity, landscape, easy, smile shutter, twilight, portrait, movie and program auto. Easy mode is great for people who just want to snap away without having to think about camera settings.
What's the edge of that camera to other camera?
So the edge of our camera is movie mode. Not like other cameras, doesn't allow you to zoom once you start recording. It does, however, allow you to pre-zoom to the distance you want before hitting record. Unfortunately, our cables don't stop there. If you were to move the camera a little too fast, the image would blur and the camera would go in and out of focus. And when using flash, it produces very good results. Some cameras tend to light up the foreground in a harsh light while the background is in complete darkness. That wasn't the case with the W230. We used slow synchro with highlighted the foreground in a soft light and didn't leave the background in complete darkness.
Any colors available?
So we had blue, black, gray, and silver.
I think I purchased one. So how much this cost?
So sir, this costs 4,000.
I think I take black color.
So, okay sir, so